Hi, I have a new lyrics composition again entitled Corruption Keeps Going On in a tune of My Heart Will Go On. Hope you like this.
Irregularities and corruptions, your truths immediately keep on saying it's all fake news. Although they know the truth, they still cover your wrongdoings. Perhaps you share them some of your illicit. Well, there's an end of your unlawful actions. We believe there's a karma for your illegal activities. Not once, but more, your corruption is overflowing. That you still keep pretending you are religious and innocent, as your corruption keeps going on and on. Your governance is full of manipulation, irregularities, and corruptions, but never you admit that you're a theft. Look down your employees. You're such a vindictive leader. Pity those employees, victim of your evilness. Your greediness is full of shits. You DPWH of those flood control and infrastructure projects. It is stealing the government funds. You have no contentment of your wealth, so your corruption keeps going on. Let your conscience find guilt inside your heart. God is watching us. Amen.